No, not that creepypasta about a singing mermaid stealing Wi-Fi. I'm talking about Kraken, the crypto exchange platform. It's risen from the depths of the financial seas, promising a treasure trove of digital assets and a smooth trading experience. But before you dive in, there's one crucial question. Does Kraken require your social security number, SSN, to open an account? This might seem like a basic detail, but trust me, in the world of cryptocurrency, privacy is paramount. You wouldn't hand over your house keys to a stranger on the internet, would you? So, understanding Kraken's SSN policy is vital for making informed decisions about your financial security. Throughout this video, we'll be dissecting Kraken's SSN requirements, exploring alternative verification methods, and ultimately helping you decide if this crypto exchange is the right fit for your anonymity preferences. So, buckle up crypto adventurers, because we're about to embark on a deep dive into the world of Kraken's verification procedures. The allure of anonymity, why SSN matters in crypto. Let's face it, the whole appeal of cryptocurrency lies in its decentralized nature. It breaks free from the traditional financial system, where banks and governments hold all the cards, and often, your personal information. Cryptocurrency thrives on a principle called pseudonymity. This means you can interact with the blockchain network using a unique identifier, but it doesn't necessarily link back to your real-world identity like your SSN does. Here's the catch. Exchanges like Kraken act as gateways between the traditional financial system and the crypto world. To comply with regulations and prevent fraud, they often require some form of user verification. This is where the question of SSN comes in. Kraken and SSN, a case-by-case approach. The good news is, Kraken doesn't require your SSN for the most basic level of verification. That means you can create an account, browse their offerings, and even deposit a limited amount of funds, all without revealing your SSN. However, there's a twist. If you want to unlock the full potential of Kraken, including higher deposit and withdrawal limits, you'll need to undergo a more rigorous verification process. This typically involves submitting government-issued IDs and potentially your SSN. Beyond SSN, alternative verification methods on Kraken. Now, some of you might be wary of handing over your SSN. Here's the comforting part. Kraken offers alternative verification methods that don't involve your SSN. These might include proof of residency, submitting documents like utility bills or bank statements to verify your address. Enhanced verification, this might involve additional ID checks, but not necessarily your SSN. The trade-off, anonymity versus functionality. The key takeaway here is a trade-off. You can choose to remain anonymous on Kraken to a certain extent, but that limits your trading capabilities. Opting for higher verification levels provides more functionality but comes at the cost of sharing some personal information. The decision is yours, choosing your crypto comfort zone. So, should you use Kraken? It depends on your priorities. If complete anonymity is your top concern, you might want to explore other exchanges with even stricter verification procedures. However, if you value a balance between privacy and functionality, Kraken offers a solid option. Remember, you can always start with basic verification and gradually increase your verification level as your comfort grows. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research before trusting any platform with your financial information. Check out Kraken's verification policy directly on their website for the latest details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto sailing.